Hello everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube learning channel. I am Swati Khandilwal from Gurukulam Gyanodaya Vidyapeeth. Kids, in our previous videos, we have learned so many types of patterns. Do you remember? Let's revise it first and then we will move next pattern. Let's start. This is standing line. This is standing line. This is sleeping line. This is sleeping line. This is right slanting line. This is right slanting line. This is left slanting line. This is left slanting line. And these are the curves. This is right curve. This is left curve. This is upward curve. And this one is downward curve. Now kids, today we will do a new experiment with these curves. Are you ready? Okay. See. This is right curve and this one is left curve. When we will join these two curves, what we will get? We will get a circle. We will get a circle. So, our today's pattern is circle. Now kids, we will do this experiment with upward curve and downward curve also. Okay? See. This is upward curve and this one is downward curve, right? And when we will join upward curve and downward curve, we will get a circle, right? Now, kids, for circle, see, I have drawn some pictures on the board. Our first picture is clock. Our first picture is clock. And this is circle in shape. This is circle in shape. Right? Now, our next picture is button. And button is also circle in shape. Now kids, see, I have put some dots here. First we will trace these dots. See, I make here upward curve. Now downward curve. What I have got? I have got a circle. I have got a circle. Now, see. Now I will make here left curve and right curve. Here I got a circle. Or we will make a circle by tracing these dots, like moving our chalk like this. This is a circle. Now kids, we will learn how to make a circle first. As usual, we will first in the air, then on the sand and then on our slate. So, in the air, you have to join your pointer finger and thumb like this. Okay? And move your finger like this. First you make up, then down curve. You will got circle. Okay? Once again, move your finger like this. This is a circle. This is a circle. Now kids, now we will draw on the sand. Now kids, we will do practice on the sand. See, I have some sand here. Now put your pointer finger on the sand and move it like this. This is a circle. Once again, move your finger like this. This is a circle. Okay. Now kids, we will do practice on our slate. See, I have put some dots here. Now we will trace these dots and make a circle. Okay. Just follow the dots and trace the dots, and this is a circle. This is also a circle. And now we will trace these dots to make a circle. Right? Children, see what I have got in my hand. A toy cycle. See? The wheel and the wheel of this toy cycle are round in shape. Right? Have you heard the rhyme? The wheel on the bus goes round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus goes round and round, all through the town. So kids, remember always, anything or any object that are round in shape, it known as circle. Right? Now I hope you all understood the concept of circle pattern. Now kids, keep practice at your home. In our next video, I will come with new pattern. Till then, stay tuned. Do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.